Most people think the Meditations was written in a palace. It wasn't. Marcus Aurelius wrote most of it on the Danube frontier, surrounded by mud, cold, and the dead. He was commanding Roman legions against Germanic tribes for nearly 2 decades. The empire was bleeding from the edges, and in the middle of all that, he wrote the words we still quote today. He knew something most people miss. The philosophy wasn't something he read in a quiet room and admired from a distance. He was writing it to survive the day in front of him. You have power over your mind, not outside events. He wrote that sentence while an empire was crumbling around him. That is what makes it real. 2,000 years ago, a man at war with the world chose, every single morning, to go to war with himself instead, to master the only thing he could, his own response. The Stoics called this the one true freedom. The question is not whether your world will fall apart. The question is whether you will do the same.